What's really behind your credit score? Whether you're trying to build credit or fix it, this is the truth most people never explain clearly. Let's break down exactly how credit scores work, and what affects them most. Your credit score is a 3-digit number between 300 and 850. It's designed to measure how likely you are to pay back money you borrow. The higher your score, the more trusted you are by lenders, and the better your offers for loans, apartments, credit cards, and sometimes even jobs. Here's the breakdown. 35%. Payment history. Did you pay your bills on time? Late payments seriously hurt. 30%. Credit utilization. How much of your available credit are you using? Under 30% is ideal. 15%. Length of credit history. How long have your accounts been open? The older, the better. 10%. Credit mix. Do you have a variety of credit types, like credit cards, loans, or auto financing? 10%. New credit. How often are you applying for credit? Too many recent hard inquiries can lower your score. Things like income, job status, and debit card use don't impact your credit score directly. Credit is about your history with borrowing and repayment. To improve your score, pay every bill on time, keep card balances low, don't close old credit cards, limit new credit applications, monitor your credit report regularly for errors. Now that you understand how credit scores really work, you can start using credit as a tool, not a trap. Want more no-fluff financial education like this? Subscribe to Stacks and Strategies for strategic finance content that actually helps you win with money.